In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Blemish tool in Affinity Photo. If you've ever wanted to tidy up tiny distractions like a pimple, a speck of dust, or a small spot, this tool gives you quick, realistic fixes without complex retouching. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Make sure the photo layer you want to edit is selected in the Layers panel so your changes go exactly where you expect and you can see the results clearly as you work. Next, head to the toolbar on the left and choose the Blemish Removal tool. If it isn't visible immediately, it may be grouped with other healing tools. Click and hold on the healing icon to reveal it, then select Blemish Removal. You'll know it's active when your cursor turns into a circular brush. Before you begin, adjust the brush size. You can use the on-screen controls or keyboard shortcuts to make the brush larger or smaller. Aim for a brush that's just slightly bigger than the blemish you're targeting. Too large and you risk softening nearby detail. Too small and you may leave edges behind. Now, place the brush over the spot you want to fix and either click once or gently drag across the tiny area. The Blemish Removal tool samples the surrounding pixels and blends them over the imperfection, preserving natural texture so skin, fabric, or background patterns still look authentic. If the correction looks smudgy, undo and try again with a smaller brush or a lighter touch. Work methodically. Zoom in for precision, then zoom back out to check the overall look. Tackle one spot at a time instead of sweeping across large sections. This helps you keep consistent texture and avoid repeated patterns. On textured areas like skin or clothing, adjust the brush size as you move so the tool pulls from the most relevant nearby pixels. Along crisp edges like glasses frames or hairlines, use a smaller brush and quick taps to keep lines sharp. And that's it. Open your photo, select the Blemish Removal tool, fine-tune the size, and paint away small distractions for a clean, natural finish.